What up, YouTube? So I got a radiator, nothing too special, eBay special, but it's better than the one I got in the car now. We got this, and I bought another fan. I spent a little more money on the fan. I need the cooling. So. Yeah, it's alright, decent. That's what it'll look like. Got the bracket. Came with the radiator as a combo special. And all the other stuff. Sticker. That's about it. So I just wanted to update, show you what's going on. Once I put this on in a little bit. Trying to get the other one out of there. What? Pretty nice, decent condition. It's better than the one I had. So, yeah, stay tuned. So I got it all hooked up. These are Gates radiator hoses. You know, I try not to cheap out on some of the shit, you know what I'm saying? But my budget don't cut for everything expensive, so I guess I gotta make it work with what it do. But this is the old radiator, old fan. Fan still works. It hasn't been giving me a problem, but it just got, sometimes it just turns on when it wants to, turns off when it wants to, so time to change that shit. And that's the old fan. I mean the old radiator, you know what I mean. And to the new one. That. Everything went in pretty good. I put the fan on the inside because the nozzle on right here, it was hitting the fan, wouldn't let the fan go all the way down, so I just put it on the inside. And this is I guess one of them push pull type of fans, so it could be mounted on the inside or the outside, whichever way you want to look at it. Inside, outside, outside, inside. But I put it towards the front so it can make some more space, and it fit in there perfect. And I just got to put on the bracket, but right now I'm pushing it with a little bit of force and it's not moving anywhere. I just put a zip tie over here and run it through there the way I had the other fan. But yeah, another video, got a couple more pieces to put on and shit, so stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever you guys want to do. Give me an idea what you guys think I should do to the whip. You know, it's kind of got to clean up, but this is what I'm working with. So, you know, hey, it gets too cold to work outside. But like, comment, subscribe, hit me up on the comment box on what you guys think or whatever. So peace out.